Ah, I just drink water. Hello guys. So we're gonna do like um untitled boxing game Ipo gameplay. So here's our first one. We'll try to get we're gonna try to find like water. We're gonna try to find excuse me. We're gonna try to find enemies so we can feed them with Ipo or understar. Wait. Counters. Oh, that's just for counter V's. Brum. Oh, lily, larly, larly, lar. Come on, guys, fight me or you else are Twinkie Peeps. Twinkie Peeps is crazy. Oh, lily, lar. Teach of red. I really want to try to sell that, but I don't want. So let's just trade it while we're in here at doing something ring ding bling ding. Us, 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 us. We're gonna just try to wait. Bro, come on, bro. Oh, let's go. Dang, sir. Let's go. Our first win, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Dang. Oh, come on, bro. We're so scared. Nobody wants to fight, but this is such a dead server. Let me just fight randomly at the persons. Like, alright, let's try to do them zero. Pang, 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 bang, 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 bang. Ooh. And finish it up. Alright, let's just flip over. Let's go here. There we go. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. But I really want to go with rank. Should we go with rank? We're not about rank. Let's just watch this, guys. Okay, somebody's a freaking Hitman player. Oh, both of them are freaking Hitman players. Who's gonna beat the best one? Do you think the boxer Hitman player or the I don't know how to say that. I don't know how to say that. The unseen thing. Alright, let's go. The boxer versus boxer. I mean no. Prison man versus drippy dude. Let's go. Simple boxing man is winning with a mysterious avatar. I mean prison man is about to die. Ooh. Oh dang. Oh, he got him. He got him. He could not like dash anything. He just stuck with it. Both of them are so scared. By the way, it's also not accurate at boxing. Ooh. Oh, both of them are scared. Oh, Alright. Let me join to this peanut butter jelly. Oh, wait. Start. Deadly. Let's go. No, let's go. Come on, go in, baby boy. Go in. Let's go. Is playing long goat or something? king. Oh, let's go. Oh, he's using bullet. Yes, sir. W. 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 Let's go. My bro's freaking counters is crazy with heavy, bro. My bro's freaking counters with heavy is crazy. Pugs. Oh, wow. Look at the freaking heavy looks. Oh, that. Oh, look at the damage. Look at that damage, bro. Look at that damage, bro. You cannot lie. Bro, that damage is crazy. Okay, we just have to focus. Go, bro. Let's go. Come on, boys. Oh, man. Bro, not again, please. Bro, please, bro. I need some entertainment, bro. Come on, stand up, bro. Stand up, bro. I mean, Jacob. He's obviously. Oh, there you go. Finally. Well, that damage is crazy, though. We dodged that. What the hell is happening? My bro's lag is crazy. What? How did he? Bro, how does he didn't got self-damage? My bro literally used his head to hit it. Your head's just gonna jiggle, bro. How? My bro is going front. My bro is going front instead of back. There we go, nice. Ouch. Let him cook. Let him cook. Let's go. Boosh. But if I on the music, I'm gonna get copyright issues. Bag. Yes, sir, bro. 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 Let's go. Bro, why is not? Bro, why, bro? No. Why? Okay, we got a lucky spin. No, dude. Duang. Guess we got 2 spins at least. Let's go with rank so we can at least fight some peoples. Find a worthy opponent. On title boxing game ranked. My mouse is crazy. My bro's tier is crazy. We're fighting a fight. Queen Lucy 123. This is Queen Lucy 123. Also, why is it date? I'm also unranked. Let's go. Hey. Let's go. Wow, look at the fans. Oh. What the hell is he using? Oh, he's using corkscrew? Bro. Here we go. Pugs. Pugs. Oogs. 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 Let's go. Dempsey roll. Bang. 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 Bugs. Oogs. 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 Bro, why are you running so much? Oogs. 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 There you go. Oogs. 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 There you go. Oogs, 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 oogs. Oh, there we go. Oh, Dempsey time. Pug, 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 pug. Bugs. Our first knockdown, guys. Our first knockdown. Very nice, very nice. Very nice, very nice. I mean, no emoting. That's quite rude. Oogs, 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 miss. Oh, come here, boy. Come here, boy. Oogs. Come here, oogs, oogs. Oops. Oops. Oh, bro, these guys are runner. Bro, I'm gonna lose to a runner, guys. Like, if that happened, bro, I'm quite disappointed. I mean, I'm not disappointed because they're cool. They're runners, bro. You can't deal with it. So why you keep using the double there? Pang. Oh, oh, ouch, ouch, ouch. Let's beat them. Oh, oops. Never reach. I know what to do. Perfect dodge and do not hit the ult. That's it. Oops. Knew it. Knew it. He will do that. Oops. What the fudge? Let's keep going. Ah, scared. Ouch. Pugs. There you go. Oops. Oh, Dempsey time. Boogs, 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 boogs. Boogs. Ouch. 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 The one, no wonder why people like to literally tap the M2. Ah, how the hell look boogs? Well, my bro literally he's using quartz screw, by the way. The fudging of the health of it is crazy. The fridging health that she recovers is crazy. Ah, go and blip, bust that all. It's not totally one shot, but if you can hit him, oh my god, that damage is crazy, bro. Boosh! Immediately there. No, no. I hate these peoples, bro. I hate this one of these peoples, bro. Hey, he loses the rock. Oh, bro, that is quite crazy for you. I mean, this. Victory! Teleport on another round match. Find a worthy opponent. Let's go. Teleport the worthy opponent. I have more knockdowns than him. Let's go. What the hell's? What the hell are these fighting Sasaki? What is that? Hey, bro, this handsome dude. I'm gonna do a. Let's go. We got no hands lower feed. I'm gonna beat your meat, bro. I mean, yo. If this is okay, we're good. 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 Oh. Oh, dang. Oh, wow. That is crazy for a Hanslow. Okay, great backdash. I have no backdash. Oh, nice. Bugs. No. Oosh. Oh, oof. Oof. Wow. What the French? What? What? Oof. What? Oh, how can I not? Oh, this is like an infinite kill. Oof. There we go. Oof, 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 oof. Bro, how the fridge he actually not getting hit? Oof. What? Bro, there's some of the times dashing don't work. Bro, you gotta be kidding, bro. Dashing doesn't work. Bro, my bro is literally go back dash. Yeah, go back dash. And my bro hit him like immediately. I won't not. Bro, there we go. He's very quite, quite annoying to fight us. Yeah, he's quite annoying to fight us. Yeah. I think oh, he's very low at energy. I just realized Hans lowers are very low at energies. Nice. There we go. Why he's in the freaking ring? I mean, inside of the ring. I mean, sorry, sorry. Oh! Oh, ouch, 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 ouch. Ah, okay, so my only goal is to him. Do not hit already. Because I'm not freaking using Hitman. Ouch. Ah, so annoying. Oh, bro, how is this guy so OP? If this guy's in my team, bro, hell no. Bro, if there's a clan at this game, bro, I'm immediately going with this. Oosh. What the fudge? This dude is crazy. This dude is so crazy at hitting people. But we need to get our goodness gracious thing. Yep. Pang, pang, pang. There we go. Ouch. Ouch. There we go. Hit that old. Bugs. Bugs, 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 bugs. Bugs. Otherwise, my winning streak is about to be gone. So, here's what we can do. We need to freaking dash his thingy bobs. Because he's very good. Yup, there we go. So, there's gonna be a scary moment here. Oh no, my internet. I mean, my. Oh! Okay, bro, my freaking computer is low bat. Our only goal is to defeat this dude. Oh God, no, I'm dead. Bro, bro, I am dead. I'm doomed. Oh, please, no, no, GG. Nah, GG. Ah, GG. Oh, he beated me, no. It's alright, guys, it's alright. Oh, I was about to say, 10 lucky spins is crazy. Defeat, man. Main game. That was a pretty cool blast. We got 2 wins and 2 wins and yeah. 2 wins and yeah. Yeah, I've been doing good. We got 3 spins and I wish that we can get another one. But here's our last game because because I'm quite bored and we're gonna play a silver. Let's go. Let's go. A hawk, no! Let's go. Hey, let's go, pal. Deadlift. KBG. Let's go. Pang, pang, pang. A barrage of attacks. Barrage of attacks in their face. My bro thought. There we go. Oh, you dumb. Thing. Ah. Us, 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 ooze. Ooze. Time to dip. It's called right. Pang, there we go. Wood the fridge. Bro, my bro's feet is crazy, bro. It's so little with the hot hawk. There we go. Pang, pang, pang. There we go. No, he's gonna heal. Where is he? Is that base mode or something? Who's there? Me. I mean, yo. I keep saying that. Odge. Odge. The what? Odge. It's Og. Oogs. Ah! What is gonna go rage mode or something? Ah! Oh, what the fridge? There we go. Oh, wow, that was crazy, bro. No! Hang, boink. Oh, let's go, please. No, forgive me, bro. Forgive me, bro. Okay. What? 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 My bro's going tryhard mode. Is it his friend is there? Where's the me? Pang! Pang! Us. Ooze! Ooze. Ah, no! Ooze. Let me give him a flurry because he BAM! Come on, boys. We need to make this, guys. Whoa! Almost 2-0 them. Come on, bro. We need to win this. This is for Ipo, bro. Ipo versus Hawk. And I wish this was real in Hajime Hippo thing. I wish it could be real life. Imagine, bro. Just imagine. We have a freaking face-off of Ipo versus Hawk. How could you imagine that? Also, why the hell is it the block is so OP? Oh, we need to heavy. Oh yeah. Baba, pang. No, okay, there, good. To be fast. Guys, we're gonna eat now. So we need to beat his bottom. Or we could just lose, I don't know. But I would not stay for a lose. This is the understar. He's a understar or he's a protagonist for a reason. Ah! That's a button. I was about to be so sorry. I was about to say, no, I'm dead, bro. Like I'm dead. Ush, 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 ush. Okay, barrage of attacks. Pang, 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 pang. Bugs! Yes! Yum! Let's go, 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 let's go. Let's go. Bag, 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 bag. Boogs! Let's go. Alright guys, here's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy and see you later guys. Baby.